To add a BT card to your Cash App, start by opening the app and logging into your account. Next, click on the profile icon at the top of the screen, which will take you to a page where you can find the option to link your bank. Click on this option. Then select the debit card choice on the following screen. Enter your EBT card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code, and click the Link Card button. This should link your EBT card to your Cash App. If this method doesn't work, you can try clicking the No Card button, which will open a new interface. From there, click Continue and select your bank account from the list. Then link the account to your Cash App. This will allow you to use your EBT card with the app. The process is straightforward, and following these steps should successfully link your card.